Hey, and welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. Today we're going to open up this 76 Caprice box. I already showed you what the rest of the box had in one of the other videos with the trailer included and a nice set of decals. That way we'll zoom it in right here so we don't have to worry about opening up that package, and with all the humidity down here it's questionable about how long they'll last. So let's get right to this. I know it's a razor blade, not my X-Acto knife, but it'll live. Okay, let's get this box off there. We'll zoom in on the chrome tree reel here. Got this great big Caprice front grille. Kind of stock looking hubcaps, and you know, for as many as those that I've seen, I can't remember if there were other styles of hubcaps. Only two trailer wheels. Look at this big old trailer hitch that's going on to it. It looks like it's got a different receiver, trailer stop lights, chrome valve covers, oil pan, breather. Actually doesn't look like the right style breather. It should have had the horn coming off, I believe. 5-fitted plan chrome water pump. I can honestly say I've never seen a chrome water pump on a 76 Capri. We've got great big tail lights, and we got a little light for bubblegum machine. The decals say that it's security, so that should have been an orange or a yellow light for that. But you know what? You can use it for anything you want. One-piece windshield. Looks nice and clear. Get out of the way. We have 6 all identical tires, white line. Yep, they're all identical. And they are semi-hollow. Nice tread pattern on it. The Caprices did have bigger wheels than a lot of the standard cars back then, just because they were so big. Let's see, okay. We got the great big massive hood, and look at this huge dashboard. It's actually got a little bit of texture on it with that that I kind of remember. I'm not sure what this piece right here is. Nice hood with underside details. The engine block, and you can see it's got the cutout for the front axle, heads, battery, distributor, 4 wheel backs, and a little bit of flash. I'm really surprised that these mirrors, the trailer mirrors, aren't chrome. Let me double check that. It's got the, no, that's not the, not even chrome for the mirror side of it. Plus it's got this big sinkhole in it that that just doesn't look very good. I think you'd have better luck making your own mirrors or putting a sheet of plastic in it. Strange stain on the ramps for the trailer. I assume these are the wheel backs for the trailer wheels. But it's going to be a nice sturdy trailer that should have no problem holding any car you put on it. We have what I think is the front seat with that big transmission pump. It's got some nice spinaling details into it. You can put the Chevy emblems in there. Rear axle and looks like part of the exhaust system all in one piece. That should go together pretty easily. Stock steering wheel. Look at this massive dashboard. If I remember right, you could sunbathe on one of these things. Put your kid up there. It looks like a little CB radio right here. That's cool. The firewall with blower motor housing. A little stub for brake cylinder, master cylinder, exhaust manifolds, radiator and core support all together. It's nice. This great big beefy trailer with some springs and a ramp. Oh man, look at that. They got more of the ejector pin parts right in the middle of the ramps. That's going to be a pain in the butt to get out and make look right. I had bought this kit just for mainly for the trailer and some of the decals. But you know what? I'm going to find a way to make this work. I don't know how yet, but I'm going to make it work. Let's see. 2 metal axles. Let's check out the frame and the body. Gosh, these were so big back in the day. Take them to the drive-in, cooler in back, your buddies in back. Nice sturdy frame. The other part of the exhaust is built into it. This is back when the catalytic converters came in, and so while you thought you had dual exhaust, it still came into the one catalytic converter. Some of the knockout pins from where this used to be a screw together, probably like a promo. That's an interesting seam line going down through that you can see a little bit, but you know what? It's the back side or the bottom side of the model. I'm not going to worry about that. Check out the interior tub. Nice carpeting detail. Nice big back seat. If you've never taken one to the drive-in, well, you'll have a hard time doing it nowadays, but you missed some fun. Not a whole lot of detail on the inside of the door panel, but you can bring it out with some paint. It'll still look good. It'll look good enough for what it is. The easy locating holes so it mounts up securely in the body. You know exactly where it's going to fit. Oh, I didn't notice on the inner fender wells there's some wiring up here too. Solenoids for battery cables. Honestly, I can't remember which side the battery was on these cars. I've got one of the dogs underneath my workbench here, actually on the workbench, and he's crawling around under there knocking stuff over. Look at this body. The body's actually pretty good. It's got nice detail in for the door seams. Panel lines are nice and thick. I don't know if you can see this, but they stand out pretty good. The emblems, the turn signals, and rear marker lights. The door panel and door lock is shown in there. Caprice custom. You can even read that on the side pillar here. That's pretty cool. Those great big massive tail lights. Oh, and this trunk was so huge. Caprice script on the back. Looks very nice. I think this is going to be an interesting kit because it's got some really good points and some not so great points. But we'll make it work. We'll turn it into something interesting. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next video from Pappy Tinkers.